Hello friends, my name is Ramasud. Today we'll discuss about a topic that what is Scrum. Friend, today's topic is very interesting with respect to Agile and Scrum framework, and today we'll see this topic in detail. So first of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start, friend. What is Scrum? Friends, Scrum is a methodology which we used for development of software development methodology, and this is based on agile methodology. What does that mean is by Scrum? Scrum is a framework that helps team work together, much like a rugby team, and training for the big game. Scrum encourages team to learn through experiences, self-organize while working on a problem, and reflect on their wins and losses to continuously improve. See, friend, basically a Scrum is a framework which we use for software development, and it is based on the agile methodology. Basically, Scrum says that it is based on like sprint based approach. Like that means we do the things on chunks. For example, just take it as an example, like you have to implement e-commerce solution and there are 40 tasks which you have to deliver. So what you can do, you divide the task sprint based. Like for example, each sprint will contain 10 tasks. Sprint is a 3 to 4 week time period. Okay, it is just a time box. So what you can do, if there are 40 tasks, so you can divide the 40 tasks in 4 sprints, and each sprint will contain the 10 tasks. So in the each sprint you will plan, develop, test and deploy the task. Okay, so sprint 1 will contain 10 tasks, and we will plan, develop, test and deploy. Then sprint 2, then sprint 3, and then sprint 4. So till we reach at the sprint 4, we can complete all the 40 tasks which contains the e-commerce solution. So this is the basic approach of a Scrum framework, that we divide the task, we deliver the project into chunks, and chunks means the sprint, which is a 3 to 4 weeks time period, and we like in a chunk basis or in a sprint basis, we deliver the task or project to the customer. Now friend, coming towards detail, Scrum has basically a few processes. First of all, try to remember that Scrum has three main role: Scrum Master, the product owner and the Scrum team. Scrum Master is a facilitator which has the good knowledge about the Scrum framework. The product owner is a person who has the clear vision which needs to be developed, and he is the bridge between the customer and the Scrum team. A Scrum team is the core team which is developing the project actually, like software developers, software designers, the database engineer, the application developers, the production team. So these are the core team members who are working on a project. Scrum process has, for example, first meeting is the sprint planning meeting. In the sprint planning meetings, we discuss that what we are going to deliver, in the sprint. Sprint is a 3 to 4 weeks time period. So what we do, like from the product backlog is the main document which has all the requirements of the product, which is maintained by the product owner. So from the product backlog, we select that how much things, how much task, stories is the requirement of customer. So how much stories we can take from the product backlog to the sprint. So that is called as the concept of sprint planning meeting, in which all team members, Scrum team members, product owners, Scrum master, they sit together and decide that what they are going to deliver. Daily stand-up meeting is a meeting in which, like, it is a 15 minutes meeting in which the core team members sit together. They discuss that what they have done yesterday, what they are going today, what they are going tomorrow. This is a stand-up meeting. Sprint demo meeting is a meeting in which whatever the work you have done, you showcase it to the customer. Okay. A sprint retrospective meeting is that meeting in which it is normally held at the end of the sprint, in which we see that what the things are goes well, what are the things which are goes wrong. So with the things which goes well, we have to repeat it. The things which goes wrong, we don't have to repeat it, we have to avoid it. And these are our mistakes which we shouldn't have to repeat it. So these are the Scrum processes. So friend, I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friend and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video. And that's all from my side. Thank you.